What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you wanted to pre-order the BTS edition of the Galaxy S20 Plus with or without the Galaxy BTS Bud Pluses as well, you now can. It's linked down below. Take advantage of it if you want that new purple Galaxy S20 Plus and or the Galaxy Bud Pluses as well. I did. It says I receive it July 9th. I'll do a video on it. And then the last few stories all about the Galaxy Note 20 Plus Ultra, whatever you want to call it, phone. Strap in, sit back, eat some popcorn. Let's get into it. All these tweets come from Ice Universe. The first one talks about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, saying Evolution version Note 10 Plus is going to have a Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is kind of interesting because benchmarks, I believe, have shown off 865, but it looks like it's going to have an 865 Plus, which ends up being usually an overclocked 865, but ends up being faster. QHD plus 120 hertz can be turned on at the same time, so you do have that 2K plus 120 hertz display, something the S20 does not have. You also have LTPO display, we've known that. New camera functions. We also have new S Pen features as well. New S Pen and features, I should say. So that's great news, that's new stuff. It's gonna be new things that you didn't have, that didn't carry over from the Note 10 Plus, which is gonna be maybe a reason for those people to upgrade, where I was saying maybe they wouldn't wanna upgrade. Now maybe they do because of the new S Pen and the new S Pen features, new camera functions, and then obviously the QHD 120 Plus, and obviously a faster processor. Also, according to the current data, he says Note 20 Ultra compares to the Note 10 Plus in that the bezel on both sides are narrowed by 0.29 millimeters. The forehead and chin together narrowed a total of 0.4 millimeters. The hole diameter is reduced by 1 millimeter, and the thickness of the fuselage is reduced by 0.3 millimeters. So improvements. And then his last tweet just says 9 milliseconds, which is the latency for the S Pen. So this is improved, and it puts it almost as the same latency as the Apple Pencil for the Apple iPad Pros. Now, with all this new information coming out about the Note 20 Ultra phone, are you gonna get it, especially if that Note 10 Plus? You're talking about improved S Pen sensitivity slash function slash new design, a better display, being that you can do it running at 120 hertz at 2K plus, a Snapdragon 865 Plus, which would be faster than any phone that currently is out right now with the 865, and obviously the 855 was on the Note 10 phone. And then lastly, new camera functions. So much to want to get into this new phone. These are reasons why people might want to upgrade. Let me know if you're gonna upgrade. I'm obviously gonna get it, so I'm not really upgrading from the Note 10 because I don't have it anymore, but are you guys? Let me know. Thanks for watching. See you down the road.